Right, assalamu alaikum everyone. Welcome back to this Pepe update at the moment. And Pepe is just sideways pumping just on the smaller time frames here and there. We had a high frequency inverted hammer candle that is making the prices push a little bit higher. But if you look at the EMAs, the 10 EMA is the place where this coin has been rejected a couple of times. So do not expect that this green is any good. I think it's just pretty much what previously it did when it went down here, retested the 10, got rejected, and retested the 10 again, got rejected, came down, and now you're back testing the 10 once again. So now the highest you may go is still up here and eventually touch this 55 before you don't really go to the downside. That's the highest you may go. Now if you do end up coming up above, crossing the EMAs and crossing the pattern itself, that means it's actually going to be good. I am doubtful about Bitcoin, and a quick comment about Bitcoin is that Bitcoin loves to drop 20 to 30% before halving, and halving is in April. So you have February, you have March that may potentially be red and eventually give you a lot of discount. Discount are always good. If we don't have discount, then how are the buyers going to be here? I mean, I'm a buyer more than a seller. I like window shopping when things are high for the future. And window shopping, you don't buy anything. All you do is you peek through the window and you just want to see if the cloth is going to match you or not, and then you decide if you're going to get some money and buy it or not. So right now I'm just doing the window shopping right now. Okay, I'm doing window shopping on Pepe, I'm doing window shopping on Matic, and probably several other different coin out there that may potentially be good in the next coming drop to the downside. So yes, we need drops. Buyers need drop very, very badly, and especially since October we haven't had any good discount. Back at 12th of October last year, Pepe moved up, and it moved up pretty nicely. So we looked at 177% move to the upside. So that's huge, right? Nearly a 3x or 2x there, or 2.5x I may say. Now the fact that you move up, that's the same velocity that you're going to come down with, and from this high 1753, if you end up coming to 614, I mean 64% is a very good price for a buyer, right? If you want to look at a buyer, that's going to be a very good price. Now there's another food of thought. What if Pepe ever breaks below this support and retest and goes down? Because if you break support and turn it into resistance, you have to flip the switch, right? Now this is a rare case scenario that I still may want to point out, and that is if you break below, retest, then you may be looking for the next big buying level, which is 203, and that may be the dead end. And if you end up losing this, then everyone is screwed pretty much. Now I don't really see this happening. I just had to make a comment because of course you have to look at what support and resistances are saying. I don't want people to think just because they're in a trade I'm saying it's going to go down there. No, but at least I can actually see it coming down 618 in the meanwhile. So enjoy the discount, that's what I can say. And I think I'm going to drop one more line here for the resistance that you failed to broke so many times. And let's remove the this higher line there. I'm going to remove that line. I just want to make things much more prettier than they are. So here we are, and I'm just going to drop one blue line which is actually up to 1200. So yeah, if you make it to 1200, I think the pattern gets destroyed, and then from there your next technical target is actually up here to 1724. Otherwise rejection, support, rejection, and support. And this could be a good opportunity. You may have another opportunity for if you buy down at 612. If it goes back up, you're looking for another 179%. And if bull run does come and you end up doing something like this, it's even bigger, more higher, right? More bigger targets in the future. And that's all for this video, and I'm going to see you in the next one. Allah Hafiz.